Fixed end beams, example number 1, beam with single concentrated load. Hindi natin alam yung moment reaction, so assume na lang muna natin na sila ay positive. So kapag positive, direction ng moments ay upward. So MA and MC, applying the beam-oriented sign convention. To solve for the fixed end moments, we apply the Titanic method. Mag-assume tayo ng elastic curve. Consider the direction A to C. So the direction is right. So applicable is formula for theta right. Substitute the data. So theta is theta A equal to negative. The moment near is the moment at A. The length is L, then over 3EI, plus the moment far is the moment at C, then L over 6EI, plus the load from A to C is a downward concentrated load. So the formula for 6AB over L is PB over L times L square minus B square, then all over 6EI minus H over L. For H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from A to C and tinamaan ng horizontal line yung point C so that the vertical distance from the horizontal line to point C is 0. Then theta A is 0 kasi fixed support. Then simplify the equation. Itong equation na ito, i-multiply natin by 6EIL, then simplify. So ito na yung result. Tawagin natin siyang equation 1. Next, consider the direction C to A. So the direction is left. So applicable is the formula for theta left. Then substitute the data. Theta is theta C equal to the moment near is the moment at C, then L over 3EI, plus the moment far is the moment at A, then L over 6EI, plus the load from A to C is a downward concentrated load. So the formula for 6A over L is PA over L times L square minus A square, then all over 6EI minus H over L. For H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from C to A. So yung horizontal line from C ay tumama kay A so that the vertical distance of A from the horizontal line at C is 0. And theta C is 0 since the support at C is fixed support. Then simplify the equation. Itong equation na ito ay i-multiply natin by 6EIL. At ito na yung result. Tawagin natin siyang equation number 2. So ito na ngayon yung dalawang equations at ang unknowns dito ay MA tsaka MC. Say gusto nating isolve yung MA, so kailangan nating ma-eliminate yung term involving MC. So to eliminate the terms involving MC, so yung first equation, i-multiply natin by 2. Then sa equation 1 na minultiply by 2, bawasan natin ang equation 2. So ito na mangyayari. So ito times 2 is magiging 4 MAL square. Then minus MAL square is 3 MAL square. So ito magiging 2MCL square minus 2MCL square. So cancel. Plus, so ito ay magiging 2PB L square minus B square. Then minus ito PA times L square minus A square. Then equal to 0. Then 3MAL square plus 2PB times yung L is equal to A plus B. So gawin natin siyang A plus B. Then square minus B square then minus PA times L is A plus B, then squared minus A squared, then equal to 0. Then 3MAL squared plus 2PB times, expand natin yung A plus B square, so magiging A square plus 2AB plus B square, then minus B square, then minus PA times, expand yung A plus B square, so magiging A square plus 2AB plus B square, then minus A square, then equal to 0. Then simplify, so cancel ito at saka ito. Then 3MAL square plus, i-distribute itong 2PB, so magiging 2PA square B plus 2 times 2 is 4 PAB square, then minus distribute yung PA, so magiging 2PA square B, then minus PAB square, then equal to 0. Then cancel ito. Then simplify, 3MAL square, so 4PAB square minus PAB square is 3PAB square, then equal to 0. So that the moment at A is equal to negative PAB square over L square. So negative ang sagot, so ibig sabihin yung assumption natin na pataas is wrong. So ang tamang direction pala ay pababa. So i-correct na natin sa pababa. Consider equation 1. So yung na-derive nating formula for MA ay i-substitute na natin kay equation 1. So 2 times yung MA is negative PAB square over L square, then times L square plus MCL square plus PB times yung L ay gawin nating A plus B, and then square minus B square, then equal to 0. Then simplify, so negative 2P AB square plus MCL square plus PB times, expand yung A plus B square, so magiging A square plus 2AB plus B square, then minus B square, then equal to 0. Then cancel ito. Then negative 2PAB square plus MCL square plus distribute yung PB, so magiging PA square B plus 2PAB square, then equal to 0. Then cancel ito. So that MC is equal to negative PA square B over L square. So negative means mali yung assumption na upward. So ang tama pala ay downward. So i-correct na natin. So mali yung upward. So siya pala ay downward. So itong dalawang formulas na ito ay applicable kapag ang direction ng concentrated load ay pababa. So kung sakali naman na naging pataas yung direction ng concentrated load, so ang mangyayari, sila pa rin naman yung formula pero mababaligtad yung sign, magiging positive.